Morning, respected principal sir, teachers and dear students. Good morning, everyone. I am coming here not to give a speech but to give a piece of information. That's as it is read in the news by Arsha. What is the something about Vandematram? It's celebrating its 150th year. 150 సంవత్సరాలు యొక్క దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకుంటున్నాం. సో based on this, we are going to sing the Vande Mataram in a better way and in a full gusto. At 10 o'clock, we will gather here because the Indian government under Prime Minister has given us information to all schools to commemorate this day once again by singing Vande Mataram in better way. All the schools will start singing at 10 a.m. So all of you are asked to gather here at 10 a.m. once again to sing that song and give respect to our nation. Thank you, one and all.